Decarboxylation reaction of carboxylic acids. When sodium or potassium salts of carboxylic acids are treated with a mixture of NaOH and CaO, means mixture of sodium hydroxide and quicklime, is called soda lime. This soda lime acts as a decarboxylating agent, means it removes a molecule of carbon dioxide. Again, I am repeating, sodium or potassium salts of carboxylic acids when fused with sodium hydroxide in the presence of quicklime. So, what is that mixture called? 3:1 mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide is called, this is called soda lime. Soda lime acts as a decarboxylating agent. This mixture acts as a decarboxylating agent. So what happens when I treat sodium salt of carboxylic acid or potassium salt of carboxylic acid with soda lime at around 630 Kelvin, means heating at very high temperature. So what will I get? RCOO. What will I get here? RH plus Na2CO3. RH plus Na2CO3. Now let us see how this reaction happens. First, carboxylic acid is treated with sodium hydroxide. So what will I get? Acid reacts with base to form salt and water. This sodium salt of carboxylic acid again reacts with sodium hydroxide to form hydrocarbon and Na2CO3. So if you take a direct compound CH3COOH and treat with NaOH and CaO, what will you get? CH4 plus CO2, means RCOOH when treated with NaOH and CaO forms RH plus CO2. So the overall change of the reaction is removal of carbon dioxide from carboxylic acid. Hence this reaction is known as decarboxylation reaction. And if you observe this reaction, in this decarboxylation reaction, by treating sodium salt of carboxylic acids with the soda lime, you will get a hydrocarbon, you will get an alkane having same number of carbon atoms as that of R in carboxylic acid. So if I take this compound, there is one carbon atom in R of carboxylic acid, RCOOH. How many carbon atoms? What is R here? CH3. So in R of RCOOH, there is one carbon atom. So you will get a hydrocarbon or alkane having one carbon atom. That is the shortcut we need to learn here. It gives the same number of carbon atoms. The hydrocarbon or alkane obtained will have same number of carbon atoms as that of R of carboxylic acids. This is decarboxylation reaction. Again I am repeating, sodium salts or potassium salts of carboxylic acids when heated with quicklime, quicklime and sodium hydroxide. What is the mixture of quicklime and sodium hydroxide? Called soda lime. 3:1 mixture of NaOH and CaO is called soda lime. So when carboxylic acids are treated with this mixture, they undergo decarboxylation to form corresponding alkyl.